Hi guys, Liam from Burns Paint and Decorating. Just to lift the lid on Tikkurila's Akvi Primer. Really like this product, sprayed quite a lot of it. We're going to be using it today to do skirtings, door frames and MDF window sills. A couple of real benefits for me with this product is drying times, really quick drying times, and it normally sprays at a really good low pressure. For the Akvi Primer today is TriTech T4, spraying at roughly 1000 psi, using a TriTech Ultra 310 tip clean shot. We've got 100 mesh filter in the gun and a 50 mesh filter in the manifold. So we're all finished with the Akvi Primer. Sprayed really nice with the 310 tip as it always does. 1000 psi with the T4. Blatant plug for Burns Paint and Decorating. You can follow us on Instagram, Burns P&D, or Facebook.